Hello, this is a short video on checking for full text access to specific journals. Starting at the library's homepage, under More Ways to Search, click on List of Journal Titles. Now it says journals, but you can also use this search to check on magazines as well as newspapers. I have two examples. Here's the first one, Journal of, so I put in the name of my journal, click on this green magnify search button, and it looks like we have full text access. Now I suggest not clicking on this online access link. Instead, click on the name of the journal. So I'll click on Journal of Travel Research. Towards the bottom, it provides a little bit more details, a little bit more information about this specific journal. And then towards the top are my different access options. It's listing 3. So the first one is access is available through our database Gale Academic One file. And then below that, it lets me know that we have 1 year's access in that database, full text access, from 1998 to 1999. It looks like this journal is also available in 2 Sage journal packages, and its coverage is from 1999 to the present. Now, let me show you what happens. I warned against avoiding clicking on this online access. I'm going to click on that just to demonstrate. Now remember, there were 3 different options. Our catalog is going to pick one of those, and in this case it picked the Gale database, which only gives us 1 year's worth of access. That's why I suggest instead clicking on the title of the journal. I have a second example. I'm just going to edit my search here. Here I'm looking for a very well-respected scholarly journal. I type in the journal name, click again on that green magnifying glass search button. Now, since the words journal and management are fairly common, it's bringing up multiple journals that have the word journal and management in the name of the journal title. But the one I want is this first one, the Journal of Management. And again, I'm not going to click on online access. Instead, click on Journal of Management. And here, in this case, we have 5 different access options. I am looking for, in this example, more current issues. So I'll avoid these first couple of ones that really don't have current coverage. Instead, again, I'll focus on the Sage access options, and let me show you what happens when you click on one of these. Now, depending on your journal and where you're getting access from, the screen will look a little different. This is what the screen looks like for this particular journal. Basically, you will usually have 2 options. You can browse by year and then issue, and then the second option, usually they should provide a search box somewhere on the screen. Now, you might have to look around for it. In this case, in Sage, there's a search box towards the top here. Click on that, and I want to make sure that it's just searching that one journal, and then I can go ahead and put in my search terms. I want to mention one other thing, and that is, notice the screen is showing quite a deep archive here from 2020 back to the 70s. But if I go back to our search screen here, it lets me know that our library's access to Sage only covers from 1999 to the present. So even though it's listed here, anything older than 1999, so for example, it's say 1989, it looks like it's available, but when you go to actually click on these and then try to access an article, it will let me know, even though it's listed, that our library does not have access to this particular issue. So in this case, if I was looking for this article from older issues, I would take a look at first, see if any of these other access options provide coverage for the years that I need. And if not, remember we still offer interlibrary loans. So even though the library here does not have access, we can request the article for you free of charge, and we should be able to get access to the article for you. If you do have questions, remember, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to try and help.